Hi, it's Dr. Centeno, and I'd like to give you a quick update on our randomized controlled trial. This is the Percutaneous or Perc Rotator Cuff Repair with bone marrow concentrate. And here we're treating partial and complete non-retracted rotator cuff tears. These are generally surgical candidates. We're more than halfway through the study, crossover with physical therapy at 3 months. This is what the procedure looks like. And these are the SANE scores, single assessment numeric evaluation. Basically, you see here that this is the control group going the wrong direction, and these are the patients that are treated going the right direction. This is numeric pain score, so that's that 0 through 10 pain score you hear about. Again, this is the control group not doing much. This is the treated group getting much better. And then DASH, which is a functional questionnaire of the upper extremity. So here you see again the control group not doing much, and here you see the scores going down, which is good on this metric. So very nice results from this rotator cuff trial to date. Thanks so much.